Hello children, good evening to all and welcome to the computer class of standard 6, chapter number 2. And our chapter name is Designing in Impress. Open Office software download. Okay. Good evening. Then you can see here, this is the official download Apache Office. The first link here you have to click. Okay. And after clicking on this site, you can see you can here click download full installation or download the language pack. Here you can download your OpenOffice software. So easily you can simply search on your browser and you can download the OpenOffice software. I have already downloaded, that's why you can see in my desktop one icon is there, OpenOffice software icon is there. What happened? Already download? ओके जिसके पास नहीं है वो ऐसे गूगल क्रोम में जाके डाउनलोड करना, ठीक है। तो आफ्टर डाउनलोडिंग एंड उसके बाद क्या करोगे, इंस्टॉल कर देना अपना कंप्यूटर में। तो अभी देखो तुम्हारा फर्स्ट टॉपिक है इंट्रोडक्शन में, ओपन ऑफिस इम्प्रेस इज ए सॉफ्टवेयर यूज्ड फॉर क्रिएटिंग इफेक्टिव प्रेजेंटेशन। इट इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय अपाची ओपन ऑफिस सूट। देन फादर क्या बोले, देखो पेज नंबर 24 में, Dobo, what are the two options used to select theme and theme color? As the father told him that how we can make our presentation effective by select the background color or by selecting the theme. So how we can select? Let's see. Selecting the theme and select थीम कलर्स। तो कैसे हम लोग उसको कर रहे हैं, बाय द टू वे वी कैन सिलेक्ट द थीम और थीम कलर। सो वन इज ऑप्शन 1 बिफोर क्रिएटिंग प्रेजेंटेशन एंड सेकेंड वन इज आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग प्रेजेंटेशन। ओके, मैं अभी तुम लोग को डेमो दिखाऊंगा। आई विल शो यू द डेमो हाउ वी कैन मेक सिलेक्ट द थीम और थीम कलर। सो दिस आइकॉन यू कैन सी. So now you can double click here. After double clicking on your icon, it will open. See, it is open now. And what type of thing you are doing here? Here so many things are there, like text documents, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, database, formula, templates. All these things are available on the OpenOffice package. Okay, but here we are doing what? Presentation. That's why we simply double click on the presentation. So I am going to double click here, presentation. Yes. Then the next window you can see here, you can follow the book also. So before creating presentation, if you want to give the theme color, then what will do? You can see here 3 empty presentation from template and open existing presentation are there. So here by default empty presentation is checked, and if you want to create the if you want to create the theme before the presentation, then what is the next step? In step 2 you click on the next button. Here you can see the next button available in this area. Just click on the next. Okay, after click on the next, you can see on the left side of this window, here you can see the different types of background. Like here no if I will select black and white, then it will show in the previous menu, in the preview menu. This is the black and white. See, now it is visible. Then like that, if I want to click on the blue and red gradient, then it will also display on your presentation slide. You can see here Like that, here so many types are there. Light blue shape, suppose I am selecting light blue shape, then it will show like this, it will display like this. Okay, so like this, here so many presentation background theme are there. You can select any one by your wish. So suppose I am selecting here technical polygon. So this is my presentation theme. So after this, what will happen? You will just click. After selecting the theme, you simply click on the next button. Then here you can see the create button. You click on the create button. Okay. Then after click on the create button, your presentation will be open. See, you can see here. Then after that, here you can write the components of food. Or food components, you can also write food components. Then here you can write your presentation or whatever the components you can write here. Okay, so in this way we can create the theme before the creating our presentation. Okay, so now move to the second part, that is option 2. After creating presentation, how we can select our theme. So now I am going to close this. Do not save or discard. Again I will double click on this open office icon. Then presentation. Okay. Now here on the first option we are selecting the next button. But here if I want to give the theme after creating the presentation, here we simply create a presentation. Empty presentation it is by default, and you simply click on the create. Instead of next, you click on the create option. Okay, create option. When I click, then this type of screen you can see here. This is the white screen. There is no theme here. We have to apply the theme now. So how we can add the theme here? You simply go to the format option. You can follow the book also. Here you can see on the menu bar, you can see the format option is there. This is called a menu bar. You have learned on your chapter number 1. In format menu, you click on the format menu. Then you can see the slide design. Here slide design is present. After click on the format menu, you can click on the slide design. Then when we click on the slide design, here you can see the load option is there. Okay, then we click on the load option. After clicking on the load option, you can see my templates, presentation background and presentation are available. So you simply click on the presentation background, because you want to give the background, you want to give the theme. So here when you click on the when it is on my templates, there is no templates are available. But when I click on the presentation background, you can see the different type of presentation background. So from this you can select any one. Okay, like this or this, you can select any one. Suppose I am selecting here brown. Okay, then after click on the brown, you select OK, then OK. Just a minute. Now it is changed. So in these two ways we can create our theme or background to our slide. So this much for today, and then in our next class we learn more about this slide. So that's all for today's class. In our next class we will carry on our topic. Thank you.